G'day world, it's Chris Hogan coming to you live from the Rise conference here in Hong Kong. Thanks to our partners Invest HK and Start Me Up HK, and I'm here with Olga from SONM. How are you?
Hi, great.
And Olga's from Russia. She's left her hometown FIFA World Cup to come here for the excitement of Rise. And we're going to talk about fog. That's right, people, fog.
Fog, yeah. Do you know the cloud? I guess you do, right?
Well, we all know what cloud is, so what is fog?
Yeah, fog is cloud, but decentralized all over the world. Well, basically, all know cloud computing. What we did, we provide the same services, cloud services, but using decentralized hardware, which is spread all over the world. So we don't own any data center. Instead of that, just like Airbnb, we rent all the hardware around the world, like PCs, data centers, mining equipment, CPUs, GPUs, basically any hardware can be a part of fog. And on top of that, you can do calculations, machine learning, video rendering, so pretty many use cases. And I guess you can calculate your tasks much faster and in a cost-efficient way than, for example, AWS.
Okay, so we do a lot of video production, for example, and we would operate our more like a dumb terminal operating on a decentralized server, and then render the video onto one of those servers. How does this sort of work out for businesses?
Yeah, for example, if you need to render like a huge ton of 3D graphics, for example, you normally use some renderer and you buy virtual machines from AWS. But instead of AWS, you can rent some GPUs from SONM, and it will be 10 times cheaper for you. I don't like the word cheaper, but more cost
effective. Yeah. Okay, very good. And so, is this a difficult concept for people to grasp, or is this? I mean, you likened it to AWS. So, is it? If people grasp what AWS is doing, then they grasp SONM?
Yeah. If they're clients of traditional cloud services, it's pretty easy for them to understand what we do. Because we provide the same service, but the background, the backend is totally different because we do not own any data center. We just we create a marketplace where providers like owners of hardware can rent out their resources and to get payment for it in the form of SONM tokens, because we're operating on blockchain. We're utilizing blockchain for economics on our platform.
So they're earning a cryptocurrency, not real dollars?
Yeah, they're earning tokens, which is like a means of exchange on our platform, which is a utility token called SNM, ticker is SNM. And then you can easily exchange SNM using Coinbase or Changelly or any cryptocurrency exchange. So does that provide a barrier? I mean, because a lot of people are actually very confused about crypto. Yeah, that's true. But we're working on creating a way for people to be able to pay with real dollars, but the means of exchange in the platform it's SNM token, because it helps two parties to exchange resources, like to buy and to sell resources without being afraid of not get a payment for the service. Okay, and excuse my ignorance, but I actually don't know what an SNM token is. So have you already explained that just then? Yeah. Yeah. Do you know what token is? I mean, like generally. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Okay. So SNM token is a token inside of SONM platform. Okay. Which is a means of exchange of payment between buyers and sellers of computing power. Yeah. Okay. Great. I think we got there, people. I'm a bit slow. Oh, I'm a bit slow. It's only early. It's our first day. Yeah. And so
what kind of businesses are using SONM at the moment? What are the most popular, I guess, industries?
Yeah. I think machine learning companies are among like the most hard users of SONM, because it's much more cost effective for them to use SONM and GPUs, which we have in a great amount in our system, instead of AWS. We have a proven data that shows that they save really 10 times if they use SONM, and it's very easy for them to connect and to use.
Yeah, great. Okay, and what's the best way to, I guess, learn more about SONM? Where do you do that?
I think the best way to learn about SONM is our website, sonm.com. There you can read more about how to become a supplier if you own hardware or mining rig or data center, so any hardware pretty much, or how to use SONM as a buyer of computing power. And you can also read more about SNM token and how to buy tokens to be able to participate in the platform.
Right.
So website, sonm.com.
Excellent. That's SONM.
Yes.
Thanks very much for watching, guys. Plenty more coming to you live from Beach City on facebook.com/Beach City Life. We're also on YouTube and LinkedIn. Just search for Beach City. Cheers.